How to merge multiple audio files in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, select the Merge tool from the audio editing options. This will open the Merge interface where you can combine multiple audio files into one. Then select the audio files that you want to merge from your device. You can select 2 or more files depending on your project needs. Once all files are loaded, you will see them listed in the Merge interface. Arrange the files in the order you want them to play. You can preview the sequence to make sure it flows smoothly. Once satisfied, tap the Save button to combine the files into a single audio file. After merging, the new audio file will be saved in your device storage. You can further edit it, apply effects, or share it as needed. Now you know how to merge multiple audio files in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.